I'm going to run through a large stock dividend just to show you how it works. This is something that would be an optional bonus question rather than a regular exam question. Anyway, a large stock dividend is the company's distributing additional shares to each stockholder based on the number of shares they already own, a pro rata distribution. And the percentage is more than 20 to 25% of the outstanding shares. So here we have a 40% stock dividend. So if we go through our 4 questions, is it small or large? And the answer to our question number 1 is it is a large stock dividend because it is 40%. And then how many additional shares? So the number of additional shares. Well, right now we have 1,000 shares outstanding. And we are doing a 40% stock dividend. So we would be issuing 400 more shares. Okay, so number 3, the value of the stock dividend. And we know that because it's a large stock dividend, we are not going to use the market value, we are going to use the par value. So the par value is $2 per share times 400 equals an $800 value to the stock dividend. The 4th question is not applicable because it's just coming in at the par value, so there will be no paid-in capital in excess of par value. So when we go to do the journal entry for this, it's going to be here on 10/1. The Board of Directors declares the stock dividend, so we would go stock dividend, and then we would go common stock dividend distributable, okay, and the amount would be 800. And then we have we could have a 1015 is just a memo on the date of record, and then on 11/1 all those shares get issued. So we would reduce the common stock dividend distributable, and we would issue the common stock. And that would also be for 800. So you can see the accounting for a large stock dividend is a little bit more straightforward, simply because you don't have to worry about allocating between common stock and paid-in capital in excess of par value.